Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete messages on Instagram. And now without further ado, let's dive right into this video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete Instagram messages, let's first open our Instagram app. And after opening Instagram app, you can see this interface, and on the top right corner you can find the messenger icon. Tap over there like this, and over here you will find all of your messages. Now if you want to delete one of the messages on Instagram, simply tap and hold the message you want to delete, and you can see all these options appear. Simply tap on delete like this, and the whole message will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete a message on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.